Whatever gets produced, gets created in one place, that is the medicine for that place. That is sustainable livelihood for that place. Some jute ropes will be manufactured in Bengal. But from coconut, the ropes will be manufactured in Kerala. Because the basic raw material is different. Sun and grass is available in Gangetic belt. So yad deshasya yo jantuhu tad deshasya tad aushadham. Accordingly, political systems, social practices, they have to have the fragrance of local attributes, local specialities, and that is to be respected. If in summer season, Kerala people have got only 1/2 mundu and perspiration is there. In the same temperature 40 plus, in Bikaner, Badmer, Jaisalmer, people will be fully clothed from head to toe because they should not be exposed to the sun rays, otherwise they will get the sunstroke. So in the humid climate, some kind of the same temperature, some kind of clothing will be needed. In dry climates, the different clothing will be needed, the temperature is the same. So bhasha, bhusha, bhojana, bhavana, bheshaja, bhajana. We get korumuluhu, chilimuluhu, what's called pepper, in Kerala. So in the damp, humid climate, they will get the kashayam out of korumuluhu. But in north, we don't have that much plenty. So we will use it scarcely. And in Assam, they have got a particular type of what's called supari. So in this context, if you see, the model have to be variant. If in our Bharat, 127 eco-agro-climatic zones are there. So those many varieties will have to be thought of. And those many varieties of social systems, economic systems, they have to be permissible, they have to be welcomed. Not only tolerated, but respected. So that is what we mean by Bharatiya, that is Indian development models. In that plurality, the life values, life ideals, goal of life has to be the same. Balance between material prosperity and internal richness, that is to be also maintained. That is also the common things which one has to pursue. And the whole pedestal of all this, edifice of all this prosperity has to be sublimated to higher values, higher goal of life, non-materialist goal of life, that is spiritualism. Here I end my talk. I think with these words we can discuss, differ, argue, suggest, add to the wealth of the thought process of our nation. Thank you.